Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a cable that got snapped. I don't know how it got snapped. Somebody at work wasn't careful, it got snapped. So I'm going to fix this. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that instead of throwing this out, which is what the original plan was. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a compressor, portable compressors, power supply. I started loosening these screws and they, don't pull out, sorry, what's going on? Obviously this needs to go into something somewhere. So I went to this side and I opened this up. Look at that. Two nuts. They're holding those really long bolts on. I'm just going to put my screwdriver on one end and I'm going to put my 7mm on the other end, and I'm just going to remove this guy. I'm going to remove these. It's coming off. Here's the power cable. The green gets grounded. The white goes in here. There's a tiny screw to release this, I'm assuming. And then this, and then the black just goes to this blade. So I'm going to just take this off of its mounting location. Yeah, okay, there we go. Bad. I'm going to try to loosen this set screw. See if I can pull it out. Yes, sir! This is easy enough. Okay, and then this cable is being held on by this tie here. I should be able to take it. Oh, okay, so I'm going to have to cut that. Now I can pull this whole thing out. I'm just going to take my old cable and I'm going to split it. This guy needs a little eyelet. The old one also needs a 90-degree on the black. That looks good. I think I'll mechanically connect to that. Put this in here. Now I'm going to put this on. Good. Put this back on. The power switch goes up. That's on. I'm gonna feed these guys in. I got these two guys, two lock washers. Cap back on. Okay, let's go ahead and kick it on and see if it works. I got it plugged in. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to fix a compressor that got its power supply snipped right off.